Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we try to showcase relevant information for visiting Azerbaijan like do and don'ts, visa, transportation, food, guide, SIM card, seasons, main attractions and many more. Azerbaijan, the land of fire. Azerbaijan is bordered by the Caspian Sea to the east, Russia to the north, Georgia to the northwest, Armenia to the west and Iran to the south. For visa, we can apply through website. Though we have to apply for electronic visa at least 3 working days before your planned date of arrival. And on arrival visas are also available, though it's time consuming. Estimated cost of living is between $500 to $600 for 5 days. And Azerbaijan's currency is manat. We can easily convert US dollars to manat. For better conversion rate, visit a nearby bank, which is plenty around the city. Shopkeepers also accept dollars, but beware of low exchange rate. Alternatively, we can use Visa and MasterCards. Most of the hotels, taxi and supermarkets will accept the airport. Taxis are quite expensive. Use public transportation services like Bolt app, Metro and City Bus. These services are cheap compared to the alternatives. Also, remember public transports are only available in cities. For places located in remote area, arrange transportation in advance, either through a tour operator, taxi service or by renting a vehicle. If you want to explore traditional Azerbaijani food, try Three Sisters Dolma, Piti, Azerbaijani kebab and pulao. Nizami Street is quite popular in Baku for exploring authentic Azerbaijani food and nightlife. For SIM card, go for Azercell and take data package as you need. Natives speak Azerbaijani. For better communication, use Google Translation. Azerbaijan is generally safe for tourists, though we have to be careful. Plenty of guides are also available. You can see them around the city, especially in Old City or Xetai. Even online booking services are also available. Create a good itinerary before you go. Use ChatGPT for creating a good itinerary. I will attach my itinerary in description. Azerbaijan experiences a diverse range of seasons, each offering unique opportunities for travel. Spring, March to May. Mild and pleasant, with temperatures ranging from 10 to 20 degrees. It's a great time to explore the natural beauty of Azerbaijan. Summer, June to August. Summers are hot, especially in lowlands and Baku, with temperatures ranging from 25 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius. Autumn, September to November. Autumn is characterized by mild temperatures ranging from 15 to 25 degrees. Mountain color turn to vibrant shades of red, orange and yellow. Winter, December to February. Winters can be cold, especially in the mountains, with temperatures ranging from -5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Old City is also called Xetai, is located in Baku. This ancient city is known for its history, culture and architecture, mainly Maiden Tower, Shirvanash Palace and narrow streets. Half day is enough to cover the old city. You can find guides and tour operators from here. In Baku, there are many tourist attractions like Highland Park, Baku Boulevard, Nizami Street, Bibi Hayat Mosque, Haydar Aliyev Center, Flame Towers, Azerbaijan Carpet Museum, National Museum of Art, Martyrs Lane and Mini Venice. You can cover these in one day. You can depend on guided or non-guided tour. Use Bolt app and Google Map for smooth journey. Kuba and Khinaliq offer cooler temperatures even in summer and breathtaking mountain views. The distance from Baku to Khinaliq is approximately 220 km by road, even though you can cover this in one day. You can use rent a car or group tour. Group tour is cost effective compared to the other options. The route includes mountainous terrain with narrow roads. On the way to Khinaliq, you can see Khinaliq Mountain, Khinaliq Forest, Asfurdi Falls, Eagle Mountain, and Kuba Canyon. Yanardaq, the fire mountain of Azerbaijan, located just 25 km north of Baku. It has been burning continuously for thousands of years, fueled by natural gas. Gobustan, one of Azerbaijan's most intriguing and ancient sites, located just 64 km southwest of Baku. Here we can explore the ancient rock carvings of Gobustan and the mysterious mud volcanoes. Gabala is a destination that offers breathtaking landscape, rich history, and a range of activities for every traveler. I hope my video is informative. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching. Peace.